temperatures start to move in, that will hopefully be enough time to dry up whatever rain is still on roads by the time that happens. This front, again, moving through the state by around 8 o'clock tonight. That's when things should start to really be drying up. Then it gets cold, temperatures in the teens and 20s, with the wind chill in the single digits tomorrow morning. Chris.
All right, Alan, and tens of thousands of people without power tonight across the state.
Yeah.
All due, as he mentioned, to those high winds. We're seeing trees coming down on power lines, leading to reported road closures. This is a video that one of our crews shot in Westbrook not too long ago. Because of the downed trees and on power lines, there's a good possibility some traffic signals will be going out. The Westbrook Police Department is reminding drivers, if the light is not working, you should treat the intersection as a four-way stop.